Manifesting money. You're manifesting money all the time. You keep telling me about it. You keep writing to me about it, and it's not coming. It didn't come yesterday. It didn't come today when you woke up, and it's not going to come tomorrow, most likely, because you're making these mistakes. I'm going to be talking about three different kinds of mistakes you're making. You need to listen to all of them. I have a lot to say, so make sure you listen to the whole of the video because the most important is going to be the last. And if you don't get the last one done, sorry, I don't have any good news for you. So let's begin. Jana Green, international award-winning success and manifesting coach, and I teach people how to manifest at the speed of light. Why? Because I do. It's ridiculously easy. If you watch all of my videos, you will find it the easiest method online. So subscribe now, hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I release a new video. And if you hang on till the end of the video, I do have a freebie about manifesting in 1 second. And I'll tell you all about it. So the three things you're not doing right. You are seeing money as something you have to talk about, think about all the time. No, 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 no. Money is a byproduct of changes you make within yourself. We never manifest money. Money comes automatically while you apply these changes daily. And you keep getting better and better. And then all of a sudden, here you go. You're not after money at this moment. Trust me. It's the end goal, but this is not what it's going to get you what you want. What's going to get you what you want are these three changes. First and foremost, you will start seeing abundance everywhere. You will stop bitch moaning, whining, so-called BMW, about I don't have this and I don't know how to pay the bills and I don't know how to. No, you will start seeing abundance everywhere. Look how many shoes this store has. Look how many coats this store has. Look how many cars there are on the road. You will start notice abundance. Lots of trees, lots of lakes, lots of water, lots of snow, lots of emails, all abundance. Lots of work, still all abundance. Whether you like it or not, it's abundance. So you will start noticing that. If you don't do it, you're stuck in lack and good luck to you. Nothing's going to shift, period. So do we have a deal? You're going to start seeing abundance everywhere. Second of all, you're stop thinking about getting money. This is not how the world works. Do you agree that there's something like laws of physics and we don't sort of debate that because it is what it is? Then you need to listen. Laws of physics state that you give first and receive second. There's no laws of physics which says I get and maybe then I'll give. No, the laws of physics is clear. You give, you get. So you're not giving very much, are you? When is the last time you gave money to rescue kittens or dogs or to a homeless person or to someone who's in need? It's not that I'm thinking you need to do charity. It is you strictly need to open the energetic ways to money. And it is by I give first, no matter how small. It could be $2, $5, no one cares. But you're energetically opening door to more money. And then money can flow to you because I give, I receive. Do you understand? Or you circulate money by, yes, I will buy myself something nice because I know that if I do that and the universe shows me, and I show the universe that I'm not afraid to spend money. Universe shows me getting that money back multiplied. You need to be of the belief that every time your money leaves you and goes somewhere else, you get 10 times back. Just because you circulated money, the energies are open. Right now, you're no, I don't have money. I don't have money. I cannot spend money. I get no, Look, your energies are closed. Nothing's coming. Nothing's going. Nothing's coming. You need to open that. I give. I receive. Do we understand that? And third of all, you need to apply and apply. Knowledge is nothing. Knowledge means nothing. You need to apply the following changes daily. You need to love money more and more. Get some money. I'm not talking about credit cards. Get some real money and touch them and treat them like a friend. Have fun with it. Have fun counting it. It will start changing the energies around you and the money. I promise you that. Take some money, pick up some money from your ATM, put it into your purse, and count it daily. Have a good relationship with it. Enjoy the time counting it. And when you do that, and I used to do that at the very beginning of manifesting, I first put 10 pounds. Next week, I put 50 pounds. In no time, I had thousands of pounds in my handbag. And my husband used to think, oh my God, you're crazy. What if someone steals that? You know what? Having that money, having that safety of money made me think, so what? I'll make it in no time back. It is important because you will start feeling safe. You will know that no matter what hits you, you can pay for everything. If you got stuck in the middle of road and you needed a hotel because your car wasn't functional and you couldn't call AA or whatever it is in your country to rescue you, you can pay for a hotel. And it brings more money in. So why don't you do that instead? Make yourself familiar with having money. Then you need to start loving yourself a little more every day. Loving yourself a little more every day. Watch my last video is I make the decisions which lead me to what I want, and I stop making the decisions which take me away from what I want. Which is, if I want money, I will stop thinking about how I'm saving it, and I'm going to start thinking how I'm making it, how it's coming to me. Because thinking of saving money is a mindset of lack, while thinking of money coming or making money is a mindset of abundance. So you will start loving yourself, you start making the right decisions, and you will censor your thoughts all the time, every day, until you get rid of all the limiting beliefs around money. And then you will start being grateful for the love you have. You will start loving your life. Because, it could be far worse than it is. And most of you are bitching and moaning about nothing. And if you stop that and said, actually, I'm happy. The money I want would be nice, but I'm happy right now. That's an absolute signal to the universe. Give it to them now. Why are you not doing it? It's so easy. They're now not grateful. And I don't mean a dogmatic grateful, like, thank you so much, you're so kind. No, that's dogmatic grateful. I don't do that. Thanks. Recognize the life you have. Recognize you have hot water, food, drinks. You're doing better than a hell of a lot of people on this planet. So do that. Start loving the life you have. Without that, you're going nowhere. That's a promise. And start getting some self-confidence. And you're going to start getting self-confident if you follow all the steps I'm telling you to do. Because you'll feel better about yourself. You'll feel like you're making progress. You will start seeing things shifting almost immediately. I mean, they could literally shift in next second or next hour or next day. They do for people who believe in it. So why do you not believe in that? Start believing that shifts are possible instantly, and you will see them in many other things in abundance. Doesn't have to be money. Do you know that the first sign of you manifesting money is I feel better, I see changes within myself? That's the first sign. You keep going, it's inevitable, it's guaranteed. What did I say in the video a couple of weeks ago? It's guaranteed. You have nothing to lose. Just follow the steps I'm telling you to follow. So self-confidence must be done. Bloody hell, I'm good. I know how to manifest. I'm doing the homework Jana tells me to do. This is awesome. And if you want supercharged results, of course, click on the Manifesting HQ. Someone manifested 25K in 3 days. so can you, because it's very focused and you get access to me. You can ask me questions and I will answer every day. And the next one, how about you start moaning and bitching to universe and you show some love for it and respect? Like, you know what? Actually, I keep bitching and moaning that I don't have the money yet. And instead, I should say, you know what? You keep me alive because you could switch me off any second and you keep me alive. You give me warm food. You give me roof above my head. You give me health. You give me da 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 da. Do you know that there's hundreds of thousands of things the universe is giving you right now? And you're like, yeah, but you didn't give me money. And the universe is like, I'm going to shoot myself. I give you so much stuff and still not good enough? Wow. So how about stop bitching and moaning and say thank you. I love you. I love you for giving me life. I love you for giving my children's life. I love you for giving my parents' life, for my pets, everything. I'm so grateful. Not dramatic grateful, but I'm really grateful. I keep forgetting how much you give me every day. You're a good friend and you're a good secretary because I give you orders and you immediately, immediately obey them. So do you understand? You're not supposed to keep thinking 24/7 about money. You keep thinking about how you make these changes, do it every day. When you stop thinking about money, that's when it comes. Money never comes when you keep thinking about it. It comes when you're having fun, you're enjoying yourself, and everything's working out for you because you're happy with what you have. That's when it comes. And just to finish that off, there's so many billionaires when you watch the interviews with them. Most people cannot comprehend what they say, but lots of them, when they ask, how much money do you have? I have no idea. I don't even know where the money is. What do you mean you don't know what? No, I don't know. I just keep working and I know it's going to show up somehow. It's irrelevant to me. That's the mindset of billionaires. They don't care about money. They care about inventing, making, helping, serving, having fun. That's what they care about. And the money comes as a byproduct. So do you own a house? No. Why? Well, I rent because it's easier. I don't have to take care of things. It's just I can focus on my work. I can focus on my business. I can focus on this. I don't have that much stress. That's how they work. They don't care about money. They don't care about properties. And that's why they have them. Because they care about having fun, being successful, improving themselves, serving other people, giving people what they want. Do you understand? It's not about money. And if you don't stop making it about money, I told you so. Wonderful having you. I'll see you in the next video. And if you want the freebie, Manifesting in 1 Second, you can download it below. Tell me what you think of it, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.